Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, and tap on your profile and click on three line option and tap on account center okay, scroll down, click on personal details and tap on this option and click on deactivation or deletion. Okay, click on Instagram account and this option deactivate account. Okay, just click continue to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and